Hey there, welcome to this cooking video. Today we'll be showing you how to make a delicious and healthy dinner recipe that's perfect for busy weeknights. This recipe is simple yet packed with flavor, and we guarantee it will impress your taste buds. Introducing honey mustard chicken with roasted vegetables. It's a great option if you're looking for a quick and easy dinner recipe that's both healthy and delicious. Before we get started, let's talk a little bit about the ingredients. The honey mustard sauce is the star of the show in this recipe, and we'll be using a combination of honey, mustard, garlic, salt, and pepper to create a sweet and tangy marinade. You want to make sure you coat the chicken breast generously with the honey mustard sauce so that the flavors are fully infused. Now would be a good time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's not forget about the roasted vegetables. They are the perfect complement to the honey mustard chicken. For this recipe, we'll be using a colorful assortment of onion, garlic, mini sweet peppers, zucchini, broccoli, and carrots. You can use any combination of vegetables that you like, but make sure you chop them into even pieces so that they cook evenly. You're going to want to coat the vegetables in olive oil and salt and pepper. So place all your chopped vegetables in a large bowl, season, and mix thoroughly. Now let's get to the fun part, assembling the dish. In a baking dish, we'll arrange the chicken breasts in the center and surround them with seasoned vegetables. It's important to make sure everything is arranged in a single layer, as this will help ensure even cooking. And there you have it, a complete and satisfying meal that's both healthy and delicious. The honey mustard chicken is juicy and bursting with flavor, while the roasted vegetables are colorful and tasty. The best part is that you can easily customize this recipe to your liking, so don't be afraid to get creative. Okay, let's go ahead and pop the dish in the oven and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. We want the chicken to be cooked through with a golden brown glaze, and the vegetables should be tender and slightly charred. Trust us, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Once the dish is ready, you can serve it up hot and enjoy the scrumptious flavors of the honey mustard chicken and roasted vegetables. This recipe is not only healthy and delicious, but is also a great option for those busy weeknights when you want to whip up something quick and easy for your family. And if you're hosting a dinner party, this dish is sure to impress your guests. So go ahead and give it a try, and don't forget to let us know how it turned out in the comments below. We would love to hear your feedback, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking!